You know you look like snack. You gonna get all girls, don't you?
I'm not a snack.
You're not a snack.
I'm not a snackhead.
Outside with the dogs, with the cage and south, with mad dogs and black, east and south. Shot too much dog, just ease your mouth, everything precise. No dog outside with the dogs, with the cage and south. Keep it down inside when the team jump out, got the whole place locked down. You know, like a chain, we gon' link just now. Dog right past. Hey, 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 hey. Gassa down, gassa down, gassa, 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 gassa. Grow up here for your girl. Yeah. Make my face, beat the place. Yeah. Don't talk badness, dog, you're not. You know what? Just relax outside with the Dutch stops. With bees and slugs, we're my dogs from Blanche, east and south. Chat too much, dog, this is your mouth. Everything precise. No doubt outside with the Dutch stops. With the cage and slugs, keep it down inside when the deep jump out. Got the whole place locked down. You know, like a chain, we gon' link just now. Hey, cross, get the fuck on. And if you don't like me, get the fuck on. So I'm vlogging cars. So I'm vlogging cars though. They like the fan green in a dog. My car don't wash already in a dog, right? The car don't wash. And because I ain't a vlog. Because I ain't a vlog. I don't remember saying in a car shop, my car done wash if you go on about my business to bumbo clean. But guess what? Outside with it, don't stop. Hold on, wait, focus. Wait. That's it, that's over there. Who of them not give me no blind dog? Outside. Yeah! Inside with the team jump out. The whole place locked down. You know, like a chain, we gon' link just now. We in the trap, don't get caught up. Real spins when bike start up. Charge your 19 brandish though. And I'm going in April, dog, there's a Taurus. We are get back into the vlogging game, you hear? I'm gonna go take it over. Watch. Run tune! We are get back into the vlogging game, watch. I'm gonna go see it.
Next day.
Where's the car key at? See you want to go, but you don't have the car key, bro. Trouble. Hey, we're here getting some slushy right now. Oh yeah. Which one you want? This is mine. Which one you want? Huh?
I think
the same one?
This one, this one, this one.
Or you want to mix it up?
Yeah.
Okay. So this one? I want to do it?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. That's it?
Okay. Will you work here?
Me? No.
Just ask.
You think I work everywhere, don't it? This kid thinks I works everywhere. Bro, I can't close it. Is it closed? There you go. There. I'll just try some whipped cream.
Why?
Hmm? So you're not gonna pay?
Huh?
You're not gonna pay first? He said, no, I'll pay for it. It's okay. No, put what's in your pocket. I'm doing good, man. 335. Hold it. Thank you, brother. So you're not talking to them?
Hello.
That's all you're gonna do?
My name's Aiden.
Huh? That's all you're gonna do?
Okay. Bye bye.
That's it? You crazy, sir. Thank you, I got it. I got it. I got it. Get your slushy, hold up. I don't know, why you not talking to the peeps, man? What's good, guys? We're here with little man, we're finna go to the... You're welcome. We're finna go to this barbershop real quick. It's open. We're gonna go to the barbershop real quick, guys. So we get a little slushy in the action. This is his first time to the barbershop here, by the way, so just tag along. Alright, your first time here to the barbershop over here?
Yes.
You excited?
I didn't even know there was barbers here.
You didn't know there was barbers here? So where was you getting your haircut all along? Barbers?
You!
Me?
Yeah, you are the one that always cuts my hair, and sometimes my dad.
Was it being cut good though? You liked it?
He always cut it so low.
Oh, you don't want it so low? Okay. But anyways, guys, I will tune back in with y'all when we get to the barber shop, so stay tuned. You understand? Yeah, dig? Say peace out.
Peace out.
You run this tune to y'all, man. Drip, drip. Drip, drip. We don't know what going. We don't know what going there, so, but something go on. Something happened on the highway. I'm not sure what happened. Yeah. Don't know. We're driving to the barber shop and something happened. You understand? Hey! Drip, drip. But yeah, you know what? Oh, no. Shut short there. Drip. We're almost there, alright? So we're tuning back on the reach, alright? Oh, for those who forget, I'm not in Jamaica, by the way. If y'all keep saying I'm in Jamaica, I am not. Then we're here at the barbershop right here. We got another Jamaica. Look at these dudes like they in the cut. Oh yeah, the shop is right here. We're here. And we got another Jamaican restaurant right over there. Oopsie. Oh Lord. In the cut. Oh. Oh, he drove his car today. So Aiden, guess what? My barber has a car just like mine. You know that? Look, it's right here. You see it? Yeah, we got the same car. But guess what? Mine's newer. Man, that's crazy as
Wait,
shit.
they have an underground basement?
No, bro.
That's so cool.
What the hell's up with you, man? Look at that damn shop, bro.
Yeah.
They don't, but off that performance right there, that plays a big deal. Cool.
Right here looks lit, bro. I don't know what you're talking about. Look at that, you got a sharp line. You're gonna get all girls at school. What you talking about? I'm the one who looks whack. Look at me. Look. Check mine out. Come on, let me see your hair. Take the man's scarf, bro. What's up with your hair? What's wrong with your hair? See? Mine's the one that looks all wackety whack. You look good, quick. You know you look like a snack. You're gonna get all girls, don't you?
I'm not a snack.
You're not a snack.
I'm not a snack head.
Look, I'm finna go in my friend's car, y'all. I told you got the same car as me. Look, I'm opening this car, my car right here. Hop on in there. It's open. Where you going? See, you going wrong way. You going to the driver's seat? You going to drive? What's all that in my car? Did you do that? Did you do all that? Get in the car, man. Well, yeah, guys. That was a little haircut run. We finna rush back home right now.
I really want another slushy bowl.
You want another slushy? Huh?
Yeah.
We can get it back before we go home. Are you gonna make it again? Oh, you drink all that. Look at you. Mine's still here.
Oh, yeah.
Cool and nice.
Thank you. share germs.
Hmm?
Can't share germs.
You got that right. Even if I could, I wouldn't. So, what you got to say about that, punk?
Get another stuff.
You buying this round?
Huh?
You buying this round?
Yeah.
Oh, you got money, I see.
Oh, nice.
Little brother rich. Okay. Huh?
Yeah, plus I have like $1 billion $1 bills.
$1 billion bills? Oh, we going to strip club later. We not? Okay, it's alright.
Like no one in the world has $1 billion $1 bills. That doesn't phase like
Oh, it's
no
okay. It's
one.
okay. It's okay.
Especially
Hmm?
actually, only I have something.
Ah, this sunglasses, man.
You can
My beauty, my beauty. I need to get my hair down. Why did I catch my hair up? How do I look with my hair like this? You like it? Or should I take it back down?
It's okay.
You see that line? Oh.
It doesn't really look that different, so you're fine.
How about you? The yours look different? Look at these two behind you.
Yeah, you can notice the difference.
Can I see that? Can you see those?
Before and after.
Before and after. Alright, people, I'm at home right now. You know what? This is the end of this little vlog. We're getting back into the vlog game. Let me know if y'all want some more vlogs from me, because I be doing a lot of things now and then that I should vlog and I don't vlog. I'm vlogging this when I do way more lit stuff like going out.
Eric, I think you got like 4 messages.
4 messages and you didn't answer them? Anyways, guys, so as I was saying, I do way more lit stuff on here. I'm gonna start vlogging on this channel, seeing that people is coming over here, and so keep subscribing for some more content from your boy Tyrekevlogs and Aiden, of course. We're gonna see little bro in the videos right now. Alright, how should I end the video?
Peace out.
There we go.